Hi, this is from my Craftitude project, done with the layout and print and glossy finish already. So with the cold laminating film. Yan, so next po ay we need to cut it out. It's a face cut out refrigerator magnet for a souvenir baptism event. Yan, and I cut out I edited the face through PixArt application. And then, cutting time. So, it's a manual cutting po. May mga machine naman din na nagka-cut, but I don't have yet the machine. So, I need to manually cut these faces. Cute faces. Now, finish cutting it manually. And this is a sticker paper, by the way, a vinyl sticker that I bought online. So, I don't know if it's a craft or yasen. No, then I also have this magnetic sheet with adhesive, but for me, it is better if you will be using without adhesive magnetic sheet, since I already use vinyl sticker. Yan, so all we need to do is to attach it or paste it. Yan. So, gawin nyo lang yan. So, yan yung with adhesive magnetic sheet. So, just make sure yung hindi masyadong bubbles yung pagka-laminate natin, cold laminate. So, may nakita kasi akong mga bubbles. So, I make sure na mawala yung bubbles na yun para yung appearance niya is still maganda. Ayan. So, ayan. May mga bubbles kasi since I manually laminate it kasi phototop naman yung yung pag-laminate, hindi siya yung sa hot. So, ayan, dinikit ko na siya. And then, once I stick the cute face, ayan. So, another manually cut ulit with magnetic sheet. Para yung buong head niya, siya yung magiging refrigerator magnet. Medyo mahirap yung pag manually cut nito pag nasa magnetic sheet na. Kaya yan, ingat-ingat kasi baka makat natin yung mismong face. Ayan, so yan, ingat-ingat lang ganyan. So, nag-scissors ako, but pwede rin yung can use yung mismong pang-cut talaga natin. Yan. Ganyan. So, medyo mahirap lang kasi sa part na sa may corner. Yan. Yan. So, careful lang talaga. Careful. Yan, sa paggamit ng gunting. So, mag-ingat po tayo. Pati din sa scalpel po. Mag-iingat. Ayan. Struggle is real sa may mga corners and curves. Ayan na, ito na, tapos na ang pag-cut natin. So, ito yung finished product niya. Ayan. So, makapapansin nyo naman, dumidikit na siya and very cute. So, finished product po ng Craftitude ay ito. So, after maipack na sa magandang or theme package.